Hello, myself Radhika. Currently, I'm interning with Lexus and Company, and as part of this internship, I am today I'm discussing a landmark judgment, which is Indian Hotel and Restaurant Association and versus the state of Maharashtra. The judgment came in 2019. So first I will give the brief about the case and then the issues which were raised in this case, and after that the judgment. So basically, I have already mentioned it is regarded in the dance bar, which is so basically it is regarded as the dance bar in the Maharashtra. So it is actually the Supreme Court of India Civil Original Jurisdiction, and the writ petition number 576 of 2016. And this case, the appellant is Indian Hotel and Restaurant Association and others, and the respondent is the state of Maharashtra. And the date of judgment of this case is 17th January 2019, and the quorum is Honorable Justice A.K. Sikri and Justice Ashok Bhushan. So let's first talk about the important acts in which the first one is the Maharashtra Prohibition of Obscene Dance and Prohibition of Dignity of Women Working Therein Act 2016, and Maharashtra Prohibition of Obscene Dance and Prohibition of Dignity of Women Working Therein 2016. So let's talk about the fact. So in 2015 the महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने इम्पोज कर दिया बैन डांस परफॉर्मेंस पे बार्स में, एंड एक एक्सेप्शंस के साथ में कि लाइक जो 3 स्टार होटल्स हैं एज पर द बॉम्बे पुलिस, सिर्फ वहीं पे वो डांस हो सकते हैं, अदरवाइज रेस्ट द होटल्स में महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने वो डांस पे बैन लगा दिया था. So what happened next? All the dance performance license were cancelled, और जिसका जो रिजल्ट हुआ कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ द डांसर्स, एंड जो उनका लिवलीहुड था वो उनसे ले लिया. यानी एक तरीके से हम महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने उनसे उनकी रोजी रोटी का जो जरिया था वो छीन लिया था. Approximately nearly 70,000 women workers का, and which led the affected parties to file petition in the Bombay High Court regarding this. So basically this act resulted into the unemployment of the so many women, and सो उन लोगों ने लाइक एक ग्रुप ने, एक एसोसिएशन ने वहाँ पे बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट में एक पिटीशन फाइल करी. सो उनकी पिटीशन का जो बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दिया अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट्स विच लेड टू अपील इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सो इन 10 जुलाई 2013 द सुप्रीम कोर्ट अफर्म द हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर, यानी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अफर्म कर लिया हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर को. बट द गवर्नमेंट इंस्टेड ऑफ फॉलोइंग द ऑर्डर ऑफ सुपीरियर कोर्ट हैड, यानी वो कम अप विद द महाराष्ट्र 2 एक्ट के साथ में which were the Maharashtra Prohibition of Obscene Dance in Hotels, Restaurants and Bar Rooms and Protection of Dignity of Women Act 2016, and the Maharashtra Prohibition of Obscene Dance in the provision of the said act were so stringent that it was impossible for anyone to fulfill them. So further हुआ क्या, the Act 2016 was to prohibit performance of obscene dances and protect the dignity of women working therein. So therefore 3 writ petitions were filed under Article 32 of the Constitution of India. So the issue which were raised in this case, that the Maharashtra prohibition of obscene dance in hotel, restaurant and bar rooms and protection of dignity of women working therein at 2016, and condition of Rule 3 of the Maharashtra prohibition of obscene dance in hotels, restaurant and bar rooms and protection of dignity of women working therein Rule 2016 were challenged as being violative of fundamental rights of the petitioner under Article 14, 15, 19, 1A, 19, 1G and Article 21 of the Constitution. So then on जजमेंट आया ऑन जनवरी 17, 2019 को. द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रिलैक्स किया सम लॉज फॉर डांस बार इन महाराष्ट्र दैट वर बैन थे इन 2005 में, बट ऑल्सो गिव ड्यू रिगार्ड टू प्रिवेंट इमोरल एक्टिविटीज, ट्रैफिकिंग ऑफ वुमेन एंड टू इंश्योर द safety of women. And a two judges bench of the Honorable Supreme Court of India relaxed a stringent condition imposed by the Maharashtra government for obtaining license and running dance bar, public establishment which are an important source of livelihood for female dancers and are following their hereditary occupation. एंड ऑल्सो कोर्ट ने ये बोला, एक कंडीशन मैंडेट करी कि CCTV कैमराज की इंस्टॉलिंग एज दिस अगेन वॉज टोटली इनअप्रोप्रिएट एंड अमाउंटेड टू इन्वेजन ऑफ प्राइवेसी, thus violative of Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution as held in K.S. Pottaswamy case 2017 right to privacy जजमेंट. यानी उन्होंने सेट असाइड कर दिया कि वो जो मैंडेटरी है CCTV कैमराज को इंस्टॉल करने की वो हटा दें, मैंडेटरी नहीं रहेगी. एंड द डिसीजन थ्रू गिविंग प्राइमेसी टू द फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ फीमेल डांसर्स एट द सेम टाइम रिटेनिंग द पावर ऑफ द स्टेट to determine and punish करे obscene dancing which is considered as immoral in the view of social conceptions. And after that the direction given to the state government that reopen करें उन डांस बार्स को महाराष्ट्र में which were had earlier been banned under the Maharashtra Police Act. Thank you.